Hi everyone. Today for writing we're going to write a procedure telling someone how to make a jam sandwich. You can use your plan from yesterday to help you with your writing today. Can you remember the 3 things that you need to include when writing a procedure? We need a title, materials and steps. So at the top of your working from home book you're going to write the title. The title today is going to be How to Make a Jam Sandwich. Once you've written your title, you need to write materials. Making sure you've got capital letters for your title and your subheading like materials. Under materials, you need to think about all the things that you need to use when making a jam sandwich. So we need bread, butter, jam, and a plate. Under the materials, you need to draw a picture of all the things that you need and then make sure you label your picture. So I've got my picture here of bread, butter, jam, and a plate. You might even want to add in there a knife as well. So now that we've got our title and our materials, the next part of our structure of procedure is steps. Make sure you've got a capital S when you write the word steps because it's a subheading. The steps describe step by step in order how to make a jam sandwich. When you write the steps, try and use a verb as the first word in your instruction. Remember, a verb is a doing word that we learnt about last week. I'm only going to show you how to write one step today. When you write your writing, you need to try and aim for about 5 steps. So every time we write a step, we need to make sure we number it. So I'm going to write number 1. So I need to think about the instruction I would give somebody else if they were making a jam sandwich. So my first instruction would be to take out 2 slices of bread and place them on a plate. I'm going to use a capital T for take because it's the start of a sentence, and make sure I've got a full stop at the end of my sentence. That word take, that's my verb, it's my doing word, and it's the very first word in my sentence. Now that I've written our first step, you need to think about your second step. What will you be doing next to make a jam sandwich? Once you've finished writing your procedure, make sure you read through it to make sure it makes sense, and you've numbered all your steps. You have capital letters at the start of your sentences and full stops at the end of your sentences. When you finish your procedure, you might want to give it to a family member. I wonder if they can make a jam sandwich for lunch by following your procedure.